What's going on, everybody? I have a different type of video for you today. I am going to share the different types of dried flowers and stems that I've been getting on Amazon. I'm going to share my favorites that I've gotten. Let's get into it. All right, as you can see, I've been influenced by Allison. She is Words and Pictures here on YouTube. She is amazing. She uses some dried flowers. I used to do this when I did a lot of like altered projects. And sadly enough, I do have so much dried flowers and stems and sticks and all sorts of different types of this stuff already, but it's in my closet and I don't like to go in my closet because it's a huge mess. It's going to avalanche on me anytime that I try to pull anything out. All right, I got several here and I'm going to share my favorite with you so that you don't make the same mistake as I did and purchase way too many. I'm going to link all of these down below, but keep in mind when I share my favorite one because it probably will be your favorite as well. And again, I don't want you to make the mistake of buying things that are too messy and not worth the price. All right, I went with a more neutral theme just because I wanted to be able to use them on all types of projects, no matter what the colors I was using. And these are the two that caught my eye first. And this one was packaged the same way as this one, but it was impossible to get it back in the package. And as you can imagine, it was pretty messy. At first when I got this one, this is the first one that I got, and I was actually really excited until the other one started coming in. And I'm really excited about these cute little flowers, but I will probably eventually use these. All right, so I got this one, and then this one came in, and it's pretty much the same type of flowers. Got the little tiny things. I don't know what all of these are, but I have two of them now. All right, so these are a little bit different, and I would recommend these because these are little tiny flowers, just like that, and they're stemmed, and they're perfect for those like mixed media tags, and they're just so dainty and perfect. I didn't get any of all of this, okay, so that's what I was trying to avoid. And I wanted a lot of different types, so that's why I went with different ones. So these long stem flowers I would recommend. Now I got this, it's like a bunch. A lot of these are for like wedding floral arrangements and things like that, or you can use them around your house. This one smells amazing, and I usually don't like lavender scents, but I really love this one only because it has, not really for the lavender, but it has like these really cool like seed pods. I don't know, but it has like these same, I think these are baby's breath, dried baby's breath, and then the lavender is nice too. I don't know if I'd use it, but all right, the lavender did make a huge mess as well, but it's okay because it smells really good. All right, and the one that I would recommend, and this one comes in so many different colors, and the reason why I would recommend this is because look at how nicely they're packaged. I probably won't use all of this stuff in here, but same thing with all the other packages. There's a lot of things in here that I wouldn't use. And the only thing is they're a little smashed, some of them. I think I smashed that one by myself, but you got some wheat going on. And these are more for like boutonnieres, I think. But they're really nicely put together and a little amount of mess. So I would recommend something like this. You get a wide range of different floral, like dried flowers, even these little tiny ones. And then of course like the little baby's breath. And then you also get, depending on which ones you get like these seed pods. And then all of this, I don't know what this is, but I don't know if I would use that on a project. You never know. And then these little seed pods too are so cute. So you get a bunch of those. And again, these come in a ton of different colors, so depending on what you're looking for. But I would recommend these. They were the least amount of mess. They don't smell horrible either. One of these packages smelled really bad. Oh, I love this. I didn't see this at first. And all those little seed pods. Now, it's not that I won't use these things, it's just these are a little more messy, and it was impossible to really get them back in the package nicely. So, you know, depending on what you're looking for, I will have all of them linked down below. Let me know if you use this type of stuff in your projects, and don't forget to subscribe to Allison. I will link her channel down below in the description box as well. And I want to thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to stay creative, my friends.